Well, with hundreds of homes in the line of fire, everyone is probably asking, we've been asking all morning long, do I have enough insurance coverage?
Yeah, well, we all may be thinking, what will this mean for an industry which is already in crisis? For some answers, we are joined by independent insurance agent Karl Susman. Karl, thanks so much for joining us. Let's start with what people living in Malibu should be doing when it comes to their coverage as they wait to see if their homes are actually okay.
Well, the first thing is don't do like Samantha. Please don't go driving around in the fire area. The most important thing is to be safe, and that's what I tell everyone. Is as much as our inclination is to want to be near our home and protect our home and our stuff, it is just stuff, and nothing is more important than protecting ourselves and staying safe. So as far as the insurance policies go, at this point, it's unlikely you'll be able to make any changes to your policy that's already in place. Most insurance companies will put a freeze on any type of policy changes during an active event. So the best thing to do is go somewhere safe, have copies of your policy handy in case you need it, and in the event that there is a loss, you'll be able to take the next steps from there.
You know, Karl, Paul has been telling us all morning long that Malibu actually wasn't even in the highest risk, that there are higher winds in other parts of Southern California. So for people in those areas who are likely on edge right now, what should they be doing when it comes to their own coverage?
You know, anytime the Santa Ana winds kick up, I think it's fair game basically anywhere. And I believe that the winds are dying down. But anyone that's in an area that is, I call it above average for fire risk, then anytime we're having these types of weather patterns, a good idea is be sure you have your go bag ready, which is just your basic stuff, right? Maybe it's your wedding album and, you know, your digital files and things of that nature. But be ready to go, because what happens if you do get that evacuation order, you need to go right away. And something else to keep in mind is a lot of insurance policies will have provisions to provide you with some type of reimbursement if there's a mandatory evacuation. So again, don't be brave. If they say to go, go.
Absolutely. And Karl, you know, we just saw the mountain fire last month, now this fire in Malibu. So what will this do to our insurance market in SoCal?
Well, this is the type of fire that's been expected, and these are areas that are known to burn. I think every few years there's small fires, probably a significant fire in those areas every 5, 6, 7 years maybe. So this isn't going to have a major impact on what the industry is already doing. These are areas that are typically insured with the California Fair Plan, which